Okay, so it's a new day. Celica's moved. It can roll around, bags are in it. They have to be final plumbed, but at least I can move it from wherever in my shop I need to. So what I'm gonna do now is basically straighten up. I got a bunch of crap in here, and it's just been accumulating and getting bad. So everything needs to be organized before I go any further. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna move this motor. I'm gonna move all this crap, and hopefully get this place looking a little bit better. So, yep, there we go. For anybody wondering, a few wheels here, new gen Camaro, some old ADRs that came off of an S10, ADR. I don't deal with rep wheels that much. Factory Celica wheels, Webb's Professor Mesh, and some factory Z06 Corvette wheels. I got more. I got a line up on the wall, and I've got more coming. But the plan right now is to move that 1JZ, that 2JZ, and then put the Celica here so that I can move it back and forth as needed easily, and I will put all my motors in this area. So we'll see how that goes. Working on it though, making progress. All right, well, that's a good start. Oh, excuse me. I gotta put that motor somewhere, and then I got some more crap I gotta go through, but all right, finally getting back organized.